Let's head out to Jen. It is Giving Tuesday. What do you got? Bucks County, good morning.
This guy is giving like you don't know. Okay, can I do it? Can I go?
Yes.
Here I go.
Turn the throttle.
Move out of the way. It's really cool and really fast. We'll talk about it after the break. Move out of the way, everyone.
Well, the electric bike company in Croydon is helping out kids battling with spinal muscular atrophy. And Jen is with them now because they are up to something on this Giving Tuesday.
Yeah, okay, so it's really funny. No one knows where you guys are. You're here in Croydon, Bucks County.
Yep.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, you guys make the most trikes, electric trikes, in the whole entire world, right?
Well, we're #1 for electric trikes in North America for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And was it earlier this summer you met a girl?
It was about a year ago.
Okay.
I met a little girl named Allison and her mom, Kim, from Maryland.
Yep.
Allison has SMA, which is a rare muscular disease, and she doesn't walk too well, use her legs too well. But they came up here. Her mom, Kim, was really looking for something to help her with mobility. So we connected, and they were here for a test ride. Allison hopped on one of our Liberty trikes, and she just had a smile from ear to ear, and it was written right then and there that we were going to start helping out kids with SMA and get them more mobile.
You gave her her bike.
Yes.
And then this year you've given away 10 trikes to kids with SMA.
Yeah, we thought about what we can do, and we decided we can give away 10 in 2020, and we're going to do 20 in 2021. And as we keep growing and we're able to do it, we're going to give away more.
Dude, everyone wants a bike. Everyone wants a trike. It's COVID. You can't get your hands on one.
Yeah.
Why did you think it was important to give away these highly coveted, bikes?
Well, actually, that happened before COVID, right? So it was a little over a year ago when they came, and as a parent, I could just see in Kim, as a parent, that she would do anything for Allison. And they had been looking for mobility devices, and she hadn't ridden anything like Liberty Trike. And when she got on it, it was just such a natural fit. And like I said, she had a big smile on, and everybody was excited about it. And I just said, she needs to have that. And I would do anything for my kids. I know you would for yours. So
yeah.
As a parent, when you see something like that in a little girl, you just do it. You don't really think about it.
Okay, so tell me about these trikes. So normally you say it's more of an elderly population that are buying these things, right?
Yeah, originally Liberty Trike was, kind of designed listening to seniors who wanted mobility but didn't want to get on a mobility scooter.
But they look really cool, and you've made them so they can fold up and go in the back of my car.
Yeah, absolutely. You can put Liberty Trike together or break it down in under 10 minutes, all by hand, zero tools, and it's all direct to consumer.
Even my grandma can do that?
Even your grandma can do it,
okay,
I promise.
And when we look at these colors, clearly maybe it started with the elderly, but younger people want them, I'm assuming?
No, our senior buyers, they love all the different colors. There's a big Facebook group, and they actually name them after the colors and this and that. So you can see we've got 10 vibrant colors. We've got lavender back there. We've got the 80s Barbie pink is what this is called.
I really like Barbie pink, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
You also have recumbent bikes over there. Those are electric as well?
We do. We have about 13 different electric tricycles. We got about 8 different recumbent trikes. You can see the cool factor here with the fat tad. This has the fat 4-inch tires on this recumbent. This is pretty popular. This is more of a younger, obviously, demographic. We've got cargo bikes back there, and then across the way you see all those bikes. Those are all latest technology, 2-wheel bikes, and we'll be open for test rides. We'll have a big advertisement, a big billboard on 95 North coming in March.
So for people who are doing well during COVID,
yes.
What do you want to say to them? Like, obviously, you gave away one bike before COVID, but now that you've been successful and doing well, why do you think it's important for all of us to do even a little something on Giving Tuesday?
Well, like I said, it was a natural for me just to see a parent that was trying to help their kid, and so that was pretty natural for me. If people want to give things away, I think you should do what you want. I think, people do need a hand during COVID, obviously.
Yeah.
And I think we're one of the really lucky companies that's benefiting from the current situation. So, we're going to get back. Right now, we're trying to give away jobs because we have a lot of demand here. The bicycle industry is crazy, and we've benefited from that. We're very lucky to be able to remain open.
You want them, right?
Yeah, ebikejobs.com.
Okay, and as we wrap it up, I don't think you had any faith in me when you put me on that trike. You put it on 1.
Yeah.
I put it on 4.
Right.
Scale of 1 to 10. How did I do?
I think you're like a 9. You did really well.
I'm a 9.
You
That
did
means
really
I have
well.
to come back and get to be a 10.
Not as well as Allison, but very well. You can come back anytime. Thank you.
Thanks for being a great guy.
All right, thanks.
Seriously, they put it on 1. I'm a 4. I'm at least a 4. Does it go to 10?
It goes to 5, and that's fast
And
enough.
I put it on a 4.
Well, it's not too late. Crank it up to 5 and go at it.
All right.
I don't know
Yeah,
what
she's-
number that
well,
one's
no,
on.
no,
That's
please.
a 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's cut away just in case.
I know, right?